And Mama Ngina waterfront is set to be opened to the public from June 2021. This comes after the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife put in place new guidelines that will allow phased reopening of the 400 million shilling recreational facility in the island city. Kevin Mutai also reports that no vehicles or hawking activities will be allowed into the park from next week, as the county's Department of Tourism also focuses on using the amenity as an attraction site.
The decision to close down Mama Ngina waterfront in Mombasa was arrived at due to the surging cases of COVID-19, and now that the county continues recording low infection rates, the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife has come up with a set of regulations that will allow gradual reopening of the recreational centre. From June 2021, the waterfront will only be accessible for health exercising, walking, jogging, running, cycling or even skating.
Tunaangalia kwamba tunatoa nafasi kwa wale ambao watakuja katika hali ya kufanya matembezi, na ni kwa wakati maalum. Kama tulivyoweka masaa ya asubuhi kuanzia saa 12 hadi saa 3, tunaangalia hali hiyo, na pia kutoka wakati wa jioni kuanzia saa 10 hadi saa 1 za jioni.
Driving into or through the facility will not be allowed. Other suspended activities include hawking, gatherings and even games. According to the management, these guidelines will be strictly installed in support of efforts by the Ministry of Health in combating spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Security surveillance are in place with police officers deployed to ensure enforcement of the regulations.
Hatimaye tutafungua kwa sababu kinachotuzuia sasa ni hali ilivyo halisi ya janga hili. Lakini kadri tunavyoweza kushirikiana na janga hili liweze kudhibitiwa kikamilifu, basi hatuna budi kurudi katika maisha yetu ya kawaida.
The project, which was rehabilitated by government at a cost of over 400 million shillings, transformed the facility into an integrated tourist attraction site. The refurbishment included landscaping, an amphitheater, a cultural and recreational center.
We are not afraid to explore this as one of the major areas we can use to attract both local and international visitors to come to Mombasa.
Other establishments, such as public beaches in the region, are open to the public, with officials from the Department of Health still insisting on banning large gatherings.
With the expected reopening of the Mama Ngina waterfront, members of the public have been urged to cooperate with the management, as their efforts are only meant to contain the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa County.